Hi, my name is Ama Appiah, and I have been a social worker working with children and families for over 24 years. I love working with people and I enjoy my role very much. And I want to improve my skills and knowledge. I am currently in a new role, which is a managerial role, and this course is to enhance my managerial skills, how to monitor performance management, how to recruit, training and development of the staff, strategic planning and development, and managing the workforce, understanding financial management, and how to effectively motivate the staff to achieve our target. So that is why I have enrolled on this course. And in terms of what I like about LSBR is the fact that the course is online because I still work, and the fact that you can do it at your own pace. That is really great. But I would have loved if the course included things like supervision, managing staff, and all those kind of things that you need on an everyday basis.